Hey, my name is Bach, and one day I decided to buy Garmin watches. There is always a starting point where we are, and we always have a future version of us where we want to be. I don't even know that sport was going to be a part of my life. It's not easy. There will always be mistakes, injuries. I started trying to become a better version of myself. Garmin watch have become a motivation for me to step outside of my comfort zone. It would be funny if I bought them just to check the time. Garmin watch provide real-time data on my performance, helping me to stay motivated by setting and achieving daily and weekly goals. Garmin Connect app allow me to monitor my progress and see improvements over time, which is incredibly satisfying and encourages me to keep pushing myself. Garmin watch offer health-related features like stress level and sleep tracking, which allow me to take better care of my overall well-being. I also want to note the recovery time feature, which helps to recover and be ready for the next workouts without harm to the body. The convenience of having all this data on my wrist makes it easy to integrate sport into my daily routine, ensuring I stay active. My journey with Garmin watch is continually transformative. Each day brings new challenges and achievements, pushing me towards a healthier and balanced lifestyle. It's more than a timepiece, it's a tool that empowers control over health and pushes the limits. It's a commitment, a motivation, a guide, a coach. It's life-changing. I will continue to create videos for YouTube on the topic of self-development and sports. Subscribe if you are interested. I'll be glad to share this journey with you. Thanks for watching.